It was time for us to retire this ugly old pendant light that was above our piano. And I was so excited when I was offered this beautiful alabaster chandelier in return for this video. My name is Diana. I'm going to go over the features of this beautiful chandelier. And if you have someone experienced in your home that can install it, that's great. But I would go ahead and recommend you hire a professional electrician who knows how to hang these things. It's definitely worth it. Look at the end result here. I'm going to go over everything and then you can decide.
This is for anyone who wants their home to feel warm and inviting, but also a little special. Maybe you've been frustrated with those generic lights that do nothing for your style. This one changes the whole vibe without feeling over the top. What makes it stand out is the alabaster, real Spanish marble, and every single one of the 92 pieces is hand polished. So when the light hits, you get this soft, natural glow instead of that harsh brightness. It feels cozy like candlelight, but modern. They even include 16 E12 bulbs, so you don't have to run to the store. And even though it's a statement piece, it fits beautifully in dining rooms, living rooms, bedrooms, or even an entryway. If you have a dimmer switch on the outlet this is hooked to, you can dim this, and it looks amazing. It's something I highly recommend you do.
This is truly a work of art. It is a statement piece in this room. It's completely changed the way this room feels. So if you're looking for a great way to update the room, give it some pizzazz, and add some warmth, definitely check out this alabaster chandelier.